Alright, we just took the nose off so we can look at the front. As you can see, this front is identical to a factory 962. You can see the uprights, which are these are cast aluminum. They're Almag, running a 14-inch rotor with the large Brembo billet caliper on the front. You can see the caster link, the control arm, the lower wishbone. The front has the Bilstein shocks, the factory shocks with 2,000-pound springs on the front. Both sides. The steering arms are, of course, steel, all metric hardware. The same Hirschman bearings that you find on the factory cars. The front, of course, we have tilt master cylinders, and we have a front nose frame here, which the nose sits on. I'll be putting the wiper in, which I have for it. But in any case, the front is identical. The sheet metal used is aluminum, and that's made from the factory patterns. So the chassis is identical dimensionally with the monocoques, but of course it's a chromoly two-frame chassis, which I think is more easily repairable if you hit something, and should be cheaper and quicker to make. So that's basically what she looks like on the front. And like I said, we got to set the toe on the front of this. I think it's got too much toe in. All the bodywork fits as it would on the factory cars, with the exception of the locating pins in the top corner to the right there, just by the hinge. I used Protex latches, which are nice because they lock. They suck the bodywork up tight. I think some of the teams actually went to Protex. That's polycarbonate front windshield too. You can see it went through tech at one of the IMSA races. You can see there. Of course, the date's faded right off it. So that's the front of this thing. Same as factory, except it's not aluminum monocoque. And of course the lower wishbones are chromoly tube instead of a sheet metal fabricated wishbone, hollow like the factory did, which is way too labor intensive. So that's that. And it's May 31st, 2018.